Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jasmine and I'm so excited you all decided to click on my video and watch my content. I make cleaning, lifestyle, and decorating videos. So if that's something you like, then welcome. In today's video, I'll be bringing you guys some laundry motivation and of course some cleaning motivation. I'm going to be first stripping my bed so that I can start on washing my comforter and my sheets. So I'm going to be showing you all the products, the laundry products that I use to get this job done.
I'll be worse, I could be a hater like you. It could all be worse. Clothes to make the man, but that poison's gonna kill you.
So if you're here from my previous cleaning video, then you might notice that I had this outfit on in another video, but you probably want to see this outfit in one more video because I cleaned up my whole entire house in a whole day. And the video was so long that I had to break it up in 3 parts. So that's what you all are going to be seeing.
I'm young, I'm free, can't nobody.
So here I am, I'm in my laundry room and I'm going to be adding the things to the washer before I put my sheets inside. I use the Arm & Hammer washing pods. I also use this Lysol laundry sanitizer. It smells amazing. I also be using the Arm & Hammer Clean Sensation scent beads and some good old-fashioned bleach. That is why I like having white sheets, because I can use bleach.
Still fly, I know. I'm still fly, let's go. It could all be worse, I could be a hater like you. It could all be worse. Clothes to make the man, but that poison's gonna kill you. From the inside.
Now heading into the kitchen, where I feel like needs cleaning every single second of the day. I can just finish clean the kitchen and 5 seconds later it's back looking a mess. So of course in this video I'm just going to be doing the regular routine tidy up and wipe down, but I'm also going to be showing you guys that vent under the microwave. I hadn't cleaned it in a while, so I'm going to be pulling it down and I'm going to show you all how I clean inside of the vent. So keep on watching.
Now it's my time to run it out. It's my time to run it out. It's your time. Oh.
I always use this Method heavy degreaser spray to spray the inside of my microwave before I clean it, and I let that sit about 15 minutes. So I do something else while I let that sit.
Somewhere, young or old, I really don't care. Life has never really been fair. So put your fist up in the air. Say yeah. I'm young, I'm free. Can't nobody take me here and now. It's my time to run it out. It's my time to ride it. I'm young, I'm free. Can't nobody take me here and now. It's my time to run it out. It's my time to ride it out. It's your time. Oh.
Lord only knows what it took to making you like a blossom of a tree or the color of a jewel. So divine is the feeling that I find, like a sweet mountain breeze in a fragment of my mind. I said, darling, you are all I want for sure. Darling, you give me everything and more. I said, darling, yeah, girl, you know I miss you. Slide talking, girl, you're walking circles through my mind. And it seems like every day just gets better when you're mine. Bring you love now and forever. For my hurt, you are the cure. Like a spring, you keep me healthy with a substance that is pure. And I said, darling, darling, I'm feeling rich although I'm poor. I said, darling, in your arms I feel secure. Darling, darling, yeah, girl, you know I miss you. Baby, you know I miss you. Oh yeah, you know I miss you. Baby, you know I miss you. You know I miss you. And I said, darling, oh darling, you are all I want for sure. All I want for sure. Darling, in your arms I feel secure. I feel secure. Darling, darling, I'm feeling rich although I'm poor. I said, darling, darling, you give me everything and more. I said, darling, darling, girl, you know I miss you.
So here's the vent under the microwave that I was telling you guys that I was going to be cleaning in this video, and see how greasy it is. So I just use some Dawn dishwashing soap, and I just give it a real good scrub down, and it usually comes off pretty well.
Sure, we're having fun, but it don't mean that I'm in love. I like you a lot, but you gotta step up. I'm through trying to tell you what to do, how to make me fall for you. You should learn that on your own. I'll play cool, cause I hope you pick it up soon, and you know just what to do. Don't you? Boy, just be honest. I know you want it, put some work into it.
So that degreaser spray works very well. I can just usually just take a wet, damp cloth and just wipe away any of the stuck on food that was in the microwave. I know some people say use a bowl of vinegar and just microwave it, but this spray helps. It helps a lot too, and it removes the grime and the stuck on food really easy.
I'm not being mean, I'm just being me. I don't make it easy, but I'm worth a while. All that I ask is for you to please my every need, to put in the time. I'm through trying to tell you what to do, how to make me fall for you. You should learn that on your own. I'll play cool, cause I hope you pick it up soon, and you know just what to do. Don't you? Boy, just be honest. I know you want it, put some work into it, cause you know that I'm hard to love. It won't be easy, so don't be lazy. Just give it to me, cause you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know 'cause I hope you pick it up soon, and you know just what to do, don't you? Boy, just be honest. I know you want it. Put some work into it, 'cause you know that I'm hard to love. It won't be easy, so don't be lazy. Just give it to me, 'cause you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love.
So my mom found these Fabuloso disinfecting wipes for me, and I did not know that Fabuloso made a brand of disinfecting wipes, but I'm so glad that I found them because they smell amazing, and on top of that, they're also disinfecting, so that's a win-win.
It's creeping up on me. This frostbite gets deep into my bloodstream. Just trying to make the most of it. Babe, I miss your body. You make some kind of fire within me. It's almost like it's burning through my skin. Make myself feel warmer when you're near. Whenever you're near, come close, 'cause I wanna be by your side. Wanna be by your side.
So in case any of you guys are wondering, when y'all see the shoes that I have on, yes, I wear my husband's shoes. I like his Nike slides better than I like my Nike slides. I don't know why, but I just enjoy wearing his shoes. So yeah, I'm just going to be vacuuming, and then I'm going to mop the kitchen floor.
You make some kind of fire within me. It's almost like it's burning through my skin. Make myself feel warmer when you're near. Whenever you're near, come close, 'cause I wanna be by your side. Wanna be by your side. Come close.
I hope you all are really enjoy watching this video, and if you guys are still here to this point in the video, can you comment down a purple heart emoji so that I know you're watching?
It gets darker, let me know when you're home, 'cause you're lighting a spark in me. Gets pretty lonely, I get so lonely, so stay by my side. Come close, 'cause I wanna be by your side. Wanna be by your side. Come close, get under my skin, give me a piece of your mind. Just for a while, stay by my side. Close, side, wanna be by your side. Close, just for a while, stay by my side.
So you guys, we're at the end of the video, and like I said, this video would have been really long if I had included everything that I did in this whole entire day of cleaning. So be sure to come back for my next video to see the end. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and see you in my next video.